Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and banking tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but super important: how to change your Zenith Bank ATM PIN for 2025. With increasing concerns about online security, keeping your PIN fresh is a smart move to protect your hard-earned money. If you're a Zenith Bank customer, stick around. This quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. First off, let's cover the basics. Before you head out, make sure you have your Zenith Bank ATM card handy and that you know your current PIN. It's also a good idea to choose a new PIN that's strong and memorable. Think a mix of numbers, maybe something only you would know, but avoid obvious choices like your birth date. Security first, right? Alright, let's dive into the steps. Start by finding a nearby Zenith Bank ATM. Look for one that's well lit and secure. Insert your ATM card into the slot, with the chip facing up. Once the screen lights up, enter your current PIN using the keypad. You'll then be taken to the main menu. Navigate to the Services or Settings option. On most Zenith ATMs, it's labeled as Change PIN or something similar. Select that, and the system will prompt you to enter your new PIN. Type it in carefully, then confirm it by entering it a second time. Double-check for any typos to avoid issues. After you've confirmed, the ATM should process your request and give you a success message. Don't forget to take your card back and grab your receipt if offered. It's always good to have proof. The whole process usually takes less than a minute, but take your time to ensure accuracy. A few quick tips to wrap this up. Always change your PIN in a safe location, never share it with anyone, and if you run into any problems, contact Zenith Bank's customer support right away. There you have it. Changing your Zenith Bank ATM PIN for 2025 is that simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.